organisms are everywhere, in and around us. And while they look simple and small, they can behave in very complex ways. Even single-celled organisms can walk, hunt, build networks, and exhibit complex three-dimensional behavior. Researchers at Hokkaido University want to know how these seemingly simple organisms exhibit such complicated behavior. They determined what is happening when one type of these organisms, called ciliates, switches from swimming in 3 dimensions to grazing in 2 dimensions. First, they noticed that their hair-like propellers, called cilia, stall where they touch a surface. A computer model showed the stalling is necessary to stay close to the surface. Otherwise, the ciliate would just take off again. They also realized that a cilia stalling sphere would simply stick to the wall. Therefore, the elongated shape of the ciliates, combined with the stall of the cilia, enables them to move along the surface, while keeping their mouth perfectly positioned to eat bacteria. These studies show that even a single-celled organism can exhibit complex behaviors by combining simple elements. Due to the generality of cellular mechanisms, studying the behavior of microorganisms can reveal what creates complexity in higher organisms too.